Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone. My name is Shima Sabri, Principal Investigator for One Learning App Study and Development. This is my teammate, Associate Professor Dr. Liana from University of Malaya, Shuhada Osman and Faizah Misrom from College University Polytech Mara. This slide shows the outline of the presentation. The first agenda is the introduction. The cultivation of a 21st century learner mindset has designed a contemplative learning environment mediated by mobile technology, known as mobile learning. Participation criteria in this learning environment is highly attributed to its use, purposely to keep the learners engaged. Additionally, mobile learning offers various benefits such like its portability, interactive design, security, and its availability underline its positioning for usage in higher education institutions. Therefore, this study aims to design and develop mobile learning platforms that fulfill the higher education institution learners' requirement. This slide shows the mobile learning problems and proposed objectives. The problem highlighted about existing learning platform that less considered about learners' learning needs. It also presents unfriendly function of learning management system when it moves to mobile, as well as conducting a traditional physical classes activities that face some obstacles, such like limited time and place. Therefore, the objectives of this study will identify the learner's learning needs and attributes to use mobile learning. This project will develop a mobile learning platform that uses mobile learning acceptance framework in fulfilling higher education institution online learning. At the model referred when we start to design and develop the platform. 5 steps undertaken, which are analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. Slide 6 shows the conceptual diagram of the apps. The features that allow for collaborative activities between educators and the learners are teaching materials, multimedia, internet resources, archive, student notes, and discussion room. This project follows the mobile learning acceptance framework from the previous study as our theoretical foundation. 6 attributes on the left are the attributes from andragogy and acceptance components that influence the behavioral intention towards mobile learning and contribute to mobile learning usage among higher education institution learners. Each of these significant relationships promotes some features that are suitable to be implemented during mobile learning development. The impact from this project can empower learners to use mobile learning by considering the andragogical aspect. Thus, higher education institutions can establish their teaching and learning activities by encouraging the development of high technology skill sets in their learners. For commercialization of education, this project also promotes multifunction of mobile application in one platform, and the attributes of the learner's intention is highly considered. As a conclusion, this project may give some insights to mobile learning practitioners by considering positive attributes of higher education institution learners from andragogy's perspective towards mobile learning acceptance as a foundation. This is the copyright of the project. One Learning Apps Interfaces, One Learning Apps Coding, Mobile Learning Guideline for Higher Education Institutions. The following presentation will show you the demonstration.
Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to present about One Learning mobile application. There are 2 types: login, student and lecturer. First, we go to the login student. Student need to enter their email student and password. If the wrong password, they enter, the pop-up will show up. For the first page is a news page. This page is for lecturer to give reminder to the student about assignment submission or anything about classes. For the second page is a discussion page. Student can have group discussion or chatting with their lecturer or their friend. For the next page is a calendar page. Student can add event on the day that they select and can set it like a reminder. Event that have been added on a particular date, it will be a different color on that date. For the last page for student is a folder page. Student can see the assignment or notes that's uploaded by the lecturer. And in the setting page, there is profile, team, authentication, about us, and help. Student can see their profile detail like a name, about, email, and role in the profile page. And now we will log in as a lecturer. Same like student, lecturer need to enter email and also password. For the first page is a news page. In this page, lecturer can submit new news to give reminder to the student about assignment or anything about classes. The new news that have been submitted will appear in a news page, and also the lecturer can delete the news if the lecturer submit the wrong information or the wrong news. In discussion page, lecturer also can have group discussion or chatting with their student. Lecturer can create new group chat by enter group name and enter their student name or by enter their student email. When group chat successfully created, lecturer can have discussion with their student. For page calendar, it same like a student. Lecturer can set it like a reminder. For folder page, lecturer can upload new assignment or notes for student, and the student can see the file that upload by lecturer. Lecturer also can delete the file if lecturer upload the wrong file. And lecturer also can create new class at the right bottom of folder page. Lecturer also can see their detailed profile in profile page. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you.